What is personal finance or individual accounting? Individual budget or a personal finance is a term that covers dealing with your cash just as saving and contributing. It includes planning, banking, protection, contracts, speculations, retirement arrangements. Personal finance is related to meeting individual monetary objectives, regardless of whether it's having enough for momentary necessities, anticipating retirement, or putting something aside for your kid's advanced degree. Everything relies upon your pay, costs, living necessities, and individual objectives and wants, and thinking of an arrangement to satisfy those requirements inside your monetary limitations. There's a 9 point strategy for personal finance. First, devise a spending plan. A spending plan is fundamental for living inside your means and sufficiently saving to meet your drawn out objectives. The 50-30-20 planning technique offers an incredible system. It separates like this: half of your salary or total compensation after charges, that is, goes towards living fundamentals like lease, utilities, food, and transport. The net costs, for example, feasting out and looking for garments, providing for a noble cause, can go here also. 20% goes towards the future, squaring away obligation and putting something aside for retirement and crisis. Second, make a contingency or emergency fund. Pay yourself first to guarantee cash is saved for unforeseen costs like hospital expenses, a major vehicle fix, everyday costs on the off chance that you get laid off, and then some. Third, put a check on debt. It sounds sufficiently straightforward to hold obligation back from going crazy. Don't spend more than you acquire. Taking out a home loan to purchase a house may be one such case. In any case, renting can some of the time be more conservative than purchasing altogether. Regardless of whether you are leasing a property, renting a vehicle, or in any event, getting a membership to program. Fourth, use charge or credit cards carefully. Visas can be significant obligation traps, yet it's unreasonable not to claim any in the contemporary world. Moreover, they have applications past purchasing things. They are significant to building up your credit score as well as an extraordinary method to follow spending, which can be major planning help. Fifth, screen your financial assessment or credit score. MasterCards are the principal vehicle through which your financial assessment is fabricated and kept up with. So, watching credit spending goes inseparably with checking your FICO rating. Sixth, pay off educational loans if any. There are HOAT advance reimbursement plans and installment decrees systems accessible to graduates. In the event that you are left with an exorbitant financing cost, taking care of the chief quicker can bode well. Seventh, plan and save for retirement. Retirement might appear to be a lifetime away. However, it shows up a whole lot earlier than you'd anticipate. Specialists recommend that a great many people will require about 80% of their present compensation in retirement. Eighth, expand tax reductions. Because of an excessively intricate assessment code, numerous people leave hundreds or even great many dollars sitting on the table each year. By augmenting your assessment reserve funds, you let loose cash that can be put resources into your decrease of past obligations. Ninth, offer yourself a reprieve. Planning a lot can appear to be loaded with hardships. Ensure your reward yourself, and that too occasionally, regardless of whether it's an excursion or a buy or an incidental evening to remember you need to partake in your rewards for so much hard work. Doing such gives you a sample of monetary autonomy that you are buckling down for. Individual budget standards. First, prioritization. This implies that you are ready to take a gander at your accounts, observe what keeps the cash streaming in, and put forth sure you remain fixed on those attempts. Second, appraisal. This is the key expertise that holds experts back from extending themselves excessively far. Yearning people consistently have a rundown of thoughts regarding alternate ways they can become showbiz royalty. Third, restriction. This is that last higher perspective ability of effective business, the board that should be applied to individuals' accounting records. On numerous occasions, monetary organizers plunk down with effective individuals who, some way or another, still figure out how to spend more than they make. Procuring $250,000 a year won't help you very much in the event that you burn through $275,000 every year. Figuring out how to limit spending on non-abundance building resources until after you met your month-to-month reserve funds or obligation decrease objectives is significant in building total assets. An example of personal finance is knowing how to budget, balance a checkbook, obtain funds for major purchases, save for retirement, plan for taxes, purchase insurance, and make investments. So, happy planning. And yes, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future learnings. Thank you.